Hello friends, good day. Today I am going to introduce you Veer Electronics make automatic transformer turns ratio meter VTRM. It is very useful to test turns ratio of distribution transformer, power transformer, isolation transformer, instrument transformer and other transformers. It is useful for transformer manufacturers, transformer repairing agencies, consultant, turnkey service providers, EPC contractors, third-party inspection and testing agencies. It is also useful to electrotechnical laboratories, educational institutes like degree and diploma engineering colleges for their electrical labs, industrial training institutes, etc. Transformer turns ratio meter is necessary tool to test turns ratio at different stages of manufacturing process of transformers. It is useful to improve quality of transformer by determining whether turns are okay or not, and also a winding of transformer is damaged or not. Here you can see the front panel of transformer turns ratio meter VTRM. This is power on off switch. This is 20x4 LCD display where you can see measuring parameter of VTRM. You can see that 3 indication lamp are provided at front panel of VTRM. First one is for hold status indication, second one is to show reverse polarity, and third one is for test on indication. This is 4x4 matrix keypad which has 16 keys. This socket is for high voltage winding connection socket. This socket is for low voltage winding connection socket. Here you can see rear panel of the transformer turns ratio meter. In rear panel, first one is auxiliary power supply 230 volt AC socket with 250 mA fuse protection. Next one is USB and RS-232 ports. It is testing fuse of 1 amps and LED indication for fuse blown. It is earthing terminal. Now let us see live demonstration of VTRM step by step. Do proper connection with transformer using HV and LV testing cable of VTRM. Connect HV cable to HV side of transformer and LV cable to LV side of transformer as per color coding of cable. Don't interchange them. Please verify it. Step 2. Be ensured that VTRM must be connected to the proper earthing. So, connect your earthing terminal here to provide proper earthing to the instrument. Step 3. Now, turn on the instrument using power on-off switch. Here you can see instrument is on. Step 4. Press set key in keypad. Here you can see star mode or delta star mode in display. This transformer is having star connection, so we are pressing ENT enter key to set star connection mode in VTRM. Step 5. Now you can see enter calculative ratio mode in display. Step 6. Please enter transformer ratio using this numeric keypad as per your transformer's calculated ratio. Then press ENT enter button to save this calculative ratio in memory of VTRM. Step 7. Now you can see set average sample mode in display. Step 8. Set average sample from 1 to 10 as per your requirement using this numeric keypad. This function is useful when your auxiliary power supply voltage has too much fluctuation. Select 10 sample for highest fluctuation and select 1 for lowest fluctuation. Step 9. Now press escape key to exit and to start measurement. Here you can see all parameters in display. TR is measured turns ratio in 5 digits, CR is calculative ratio, percentage D is percentage deviation between measured and calculative ratio. Milliampere is excitation current in milliamps, HV is high voltage side applied voltage, LV is low voltage side measured voltage. Type is transformer type star or delta star for distribution transformer. And selected phase is for selected phase of transformer for measurement of ratio. Step 10. Now press on off key to start measurement. Here you can see test LED is glowing. If polarity of transformer is wrong, then polarity reverse indication LED will glow. So correct connection at that time. Now VTRM is showing turns ratio and other parameter of R phase. Now press this arrow key to log R phase results in VTRM. Now move this selector switch to Y phase to measure turns ratio of that phase. After seeing stable turns ratio and other parameters, you can press arrow key to log Y phase's results. Same way, move this selector switch to B phase to measure turns ratio of that phase. After seeing stable turns ratio and other parameters, you can press arrow key to log B phase's results. Step 10. Now press second number key to see ratio, excitation current and percentage deviation of all three phases of transformer at a time. If you want to save these results in VTRM, then follow step 11. Step 11. Press hold key to hold measurement and you can see hold indication LED is glowing. Now press set button to go in save menu. Here display will show you save data, select address. Please select address as per your choice from 1 to 200 and press enter button to save these results. You can see in the display that data has been saved. If you want to see any saved data in VTRM memory, then follow step 12. Step 12. First press hold key to hold measurement and you can see hold indication LED is glowing. Now press set button 2 times to go in read data menu. Here display will show you read data select address. Please select address as per your choice from 1 to 200 and press enter button to see those results. You can see in the display that data has been read. Now press escape key to exit. In this way, you can perform turns ratio measurement using this equipment.